Hey gang, welcome back. We're going to be doing part 2 of the mermaid set. That's the first one that we did yesterday. That still isn't showing as vibrant on camera as it is in real life, which is annoying, but there you go. I'm starting same as I did yesterday. We're doing a wild violet and mint tea ombre. I am concentrating a bit more on the ombre than I did yesterday because that was just a rough ombre to go underneath glitter. But I do end up putting stuff on top of this, so I didn't need to faff about too much with it, but I did. I still didn't do it as sort of well as I would if it was just being left plain. But yeah, so I did 2 coats of this, and I did realise that the purple, I'd brought it down too far, so halfway through doing this coat here, I put more of the mint tea on, just to try and bring the mint tea up a bit. So I started from the bottom there and went up as opposed to from the top going down, to try and bring the green towards the centre a bit more. Thank you to everyone who said that they hope I feel better soon. I'd feel much better today. I'm fine. My face and skin is all like dry and horrible just from blowing my nose so much and rubbing my eyes yesterday. I'd quite like to just peel off my face skin just for a bit. I'll put it back on, and then like submerge it in a bowl of ice cold water and then gently scratch it with a fork. But yes, feeling fine today, so thank you for everyone who said hope I feel better. This is Moonstone. I was going to burnish some illusion glitter over this, which I did on a client once, but then I realised I had this and it's a new colour and I really wanted to use it, so I just sort of dry brushed. I'm behind myself, oh no! Dry brush so it wasn't masking the ombre too much. And then I wanted to add even more, so I've got these rainbow bubbles. I've done a very thin layer of base coat, like really thin. If you do it sort of normal thickness, then they'll all be floating around. So this is just so they've got something to grab onto. Just going to put a whole bunch of those over the nail, making sure none of them are too stuck together, so it's as flat as possible. And then that will have a cure. I think there's a bit of fluff in there somewhere. Maybe it's a merman. I imagine they'd be hairier than mermaids. So that had a cure, and I'm now top coating. I wanted to float quite a thickish layer of this, but I'm really short on top coat, so I was doing the minimal amount I could for a thick top coat. The thinnest thick top coat, the thinnest thick top coat I could do. That was cured and buffed, and now I'm taking some Alaska. I've sped this bit up a lot because, you know, got stuff to do. You've got stuff to do as well, I'm sure. Or maybe not at the moment. Nobody has a great deal to do. So I'm doing the scales. I flash cured for 10 seconds each row as I'd done one. Just make sure that the starting and ending point of each scale is in the middle of the 2 above it. I'm kind of annoyed at how thick the top line is, but not so annoyed that I didn't do anything about it. That I did do anything about it. You know what I mean. So that was that. Had a cure, and now I'm top coating again, and that is what we've got. Again, it just isn't looking as vibrant as it is in real life. I've tried all different lighting, it's just not happening. So again, you just have to take my word for it and see if my lint white background made a difference. It didn't. So that's the 2 we've got. Tune back in tomorrow for the next one. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but thank you for watching. Subscribe for lots more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.